Good morning dear students. Today we are going to start with the next part of the organic chemistry, that is how to write the structural formula if you are being given any IUPAC name of the compound. Okay, now how to derive the structural formula from the name. Okay, now see here, the first there are some rules. So the rule 1 for this is, first is you will write the number of the carbon atoms. Okay, you will write the number of carbon atoms. Okay, the second rule, rule 2 says that then we will give the position. Okay, then we will give the position of the suffix. Okay, that means we are going to give the position of the suffix. Now in suffix we have three parts. The suffix may be ane, ene or yne. So if suffix is ane, then we will put a single bond on that particular position, double bond as well as triple bond on that particular position. Okay, this is the rule 2. Then the rule 3 says that after giving the position to the suffix, now we are going to give the position to the substituent, position to the substituent or functional group, if any is attached in the name. Okay, so we are going to give the position to the substituent or the functional group. And finally the last rule is that rule 4, we will satisfy the valency of carbon by hydrogens. Okay, we will satisfy the valencies of carbon by the hydrogen. Now let us take for example, first example. Okay, first example, I am having say the compound is 3-methyl pent-2-ene, 3-methyl pent-2-ene. Okay children, so this is my compound 3-methyl pent-2-ene. Children, this is my compound. Okay, now see here, the first rule says that write the number of the carbon atoms. Now how you will write the number of the carbon atom? Firstly, whenever you see the name of the compound, okay, what you will do, you will see where is the word root. Now in this whole, this pent is your root word, yes or no? This is your root word. Now pent is your root word, means how many carbon atoms should be there in the chain? There should be 5 carbons. Okay, so what you will do here is you will draw 5 carbons, 1 2 3 4 and 5. There are what? 5 carbons from the root word. Okay, now the second rule says that position of the suffix, that is the chain, is your ane, ene or yne. So how you will identify here? See, the position of the suffix is given ene. Ene denotes that the chain in the name. Okay, it is what? A double bond. Ene means it is a double bond. Now where is the double bond? The double bond is on the second position. Now you can first you give the numbering from any end. It depends upon you, because हमको structure बनाना है तो मेरी मर्जी से I am doing from numbering from the left hand side. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now there is ene on the second position. So this is my second carbon, yes or no? So what I will do, on the second carbon I will make what? Double bond. I will make a double bond on the second carbon. Okay, so this is your suffix. This is your suffix. Okay, now then come to the third rule. the position to the substituent or the functional group should be given. So see here, is there any other functional group here? No. So there is a substituent, but it is on the third position. Now what type of substituent is there? Methyl group is there on the third position. So on the third carbon atom, this is your third carbon, you will draw a substituent. Now the name of the substituent is methyl, that is CH3. I hope that you are getting. Firstly you will draw the root word, okay, make the root word, then see whether the chain is single bond, double bond or triple bond. Give the same position of that chain, okay. Then the third one is, if any functional group is there, then give the position, or if any substituent. So in this chain the substituent is there, that is 3-methyl. So I have already given. Now the last rule says that satisfy the valency of carbon by the hydrogen. Now how I will satisfy the rest of the valencies? Just look here. The first carbon atom has only one bond, yes or no? So it should have total how many bonds? 4 bonds should be there. See here, 1, 2, 3, okay, and 4 bond is here. So what I will do? Hydrogen, hydrogen and hydrogen. Rest one will be with hydrogen. Now this second carbon has how many bonds? 1, 2, 3. How many is less? 1. So 1 I will draw with hydrogen. Now this carbon atom, the third carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds are already there. So no hydrogen should be attached here. Now the fourth carbon atom, there are 2 bonds here. The rest 2 bonds I will attach it with hydrogen. So 1 hydrogen here and the next one is here. Now see the fifth carbon atom, it has only 1 hydrogen. So 3 hydrogens has to be attached to satisfy the valency. So 3 here, okay. Now what is the compound? It is CH3, CH, double bond C, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is the compound. And what is the, see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent. On the second position it is ene, and on the third carbon atom it has methyl. So what is the name? 3-methyl pent 2-ene is the name of the compound. I hope that you are getting it, okay. Now the second, let us see some other examples, children. Say for example I am having here is, next example, I am having 2-chloro, 3-methyl, but 2-ene. Okay, this is the name of the compound. Now I have to draw the structure from this compound. So firstly what you will identify in this name, I have to find out the root word. Now what is the root word here, children? The root word is but. This is my root word. So root word but means 4 carbons, yes or no? So what I will do, I will draw first 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second thing is, I will give numbering to these carbon atom from any end. Now this time I am giving the numbering from the right hand side, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the next rule says that you have to identify the suffix. Now in this chain, see there is ene, a double bond on second position, okay. So this is my second carbon atom which I have given the number. So on this second carbon I will draw a double bond, ओके. सेकेंड से थर्ड की तरफ जाएगा, सेकेंड से फर्स्ट की तरफ नहीं जाएगा डबल बॉन्ड, ओके. नाउ फर्दर सी हियर, there is no functional group, there is only a substituent. Now in this chain there are 2 substituents, one is on the second position and the other is on the third position. So on the second position it has a chloro, that is Cl, okay, and on the third position it is saying what? Methyl on the third position. So CH3 on the third carbon atom. Now the last rule says that you have to satisfy the valencies of the carbon using hydrogen. So see here, the first carbon atom, it has only 1 bond. The rest 3 bonds will be with hydrogen. Satisfied? इस कार्बन के पास 4 बॉन्ड हो गए. Now see the second carbon, it has already 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3, 4. So no need to draw. The third carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds already there. Now the fourth carbon atom, see here, it has only 1 bond, the other 3 bonds are with hydrogen, Okay, now I will write the compound, that is CH3, C double bond C, CH3, Cl and CH3. This is the compound, that is 2-chloro. Second पे position chloro, third पे methyl, but and ene, but to ene. I hope that you are getting, children. Okay, so let us do some more examples here. Okay, let me find out some more examples for you people. Say for example, I am having here the next compound is, let us see, it is saying that 2-ethyl butan 1-oic acid. Now this is the compound. Okay children, this is the next example. I have to draw the structure for this compound. Firstly, what you will do in this structure, you have to identify the root word. So this is my root word butan, that is 4 carbon. So what I will do, I will draw 4 carbons, 1 2 3, okay, and 4. Okay, now identify the suffix. See here, there is no ene, yne, so that means the whole chain is what? A single bonded. See here, an, okay, that means the chain is single bonded. Okay, now then identify the functional group. Now there is one functional group attached on the first position, that is oic acid. Now what is oic acid, children? Oic acid means COH. Now whenever there is COH, we will not draw one more COH, नहीं बनाएंगे यहाँ पे. जो फर्स्ट कार्बन एटम है वो ऑलरेडी कार्बन है, उसमें बस OOH लगा देंगे, तो दिस बिकम COOH. सो यानी कि फर्स्ट वाला जो कार्बन है वो तुम्हारा क्या है? COOH. आई एम डूइंग द नंबरिंग 1 2 3 एंड 4. नाउ द फर्स्ट कार्बन एटम इज ओइक एसिड, तो उसी को हमको ओइक एसिड बनाना है बिकॉज दैट कार्बन इज ऑलरेडी काउंटेड इन द चेन. ओके, now then identify the substituent. So here on the second position there is ethyl, so here there is one ethyl, that is C2H5. okay, now rest you will satisfy the valencies by the hydrogen. See here, this carbon atom, the first carbon atom is already satisfied. Okay, I will show how it is satisfied. The second carbon atom has 3 bonds, the next bond is with hydrogen. The third carbon atom has 2 bonds, so 2 bonds with hydrogen. The fourth carbon atom has only 1 bond, so 3 bonds with hydrogen. See here, the structure is CH3, CH2, CH, this is CH, and on that CH we have C2H5 and COOH. Okay, this is the structure of 2-ethyl butan 1-oic acid. Now children, how this group is satisfied, just see here. COOH ऐसे होता है, C डबल बॉन्ड OOH. सो ये यहाँ पे हम लगा देंगे. सो इस कार्बन के पास ऑलरेडी 3 बॉन्ड है और एक बॉन्ड इस चेन के साथ अटैच्ड है. ओके, दिस आई एम ड्रॉइंग द स्ट्रक्चर फॉर COH. सो इट्स वैलेंसी इज ऑल्सो satisfied. If you want to see, I am drawing again. See here, CH3, CH2, CH, C2H5 और COOH के बॉन्ड्स हमको देखने ना. तो C का इधर चेन में ऑलरेडी एक बॉन्ड है, 2 बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन के साथ, एक ऑक्सीजन के साथ है और तीसरा. So already 4 bonds are there. Okay, I hope that you are getting, children. So I don't want you all to get confused with it. Okay, so now let us see some other examples we will solve. Let us solve some other examples. Say I am having, now it says that 3-hexene. Okay, 3-hexene. You have to draw the structure. Now see here, this hex means what? This is your root word which has how many carbons? 6 carbons. So what you will do, draw 6 carbon, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have drawn already 6 carbon atoms. Okay, now ene is there, डबल बॉन्ड, बट दिस डबल बॉन्ड इज ऑन द थर्ड पोजीशन. यहाँ पे इस कंपाउंड का जो इन का जो पोजीशन दिया है वो स्टार्टिंग में ही रिप्रेजेंट कर दिया है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट यू गिव द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम एनी एंड. से आई एम गिविंग द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम दिस साइड, 1 2 3 4 5, 6. So on the third position I have to draw in. So it will go from third to fourth. So I have already drawn in. Now you satisfy the rest valencies with hydrogen. See here, one carbon bond is already there. 3 with hydrogen. 2 are there. 2 with hydrogen. Okay. 3 are there. 1 hydrogen is required. Already 3 bonds are there. Only 1 hydrogen is required with this bond. This carbon atom requires only 2 hydrogens and the first carbon atom requires 3. So what is the compound? It is CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH, okay, CH2, CH3. This is the compound. Okay, I hope that you are getting, children. So this way you have to draw the structural formula using the IUPAC name. I hope that you all will solve the example. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, now let us see one more last example. Say we have butan 2 all. So how I will make? See, butan means 4 carbons. Root word means 4 carbons. So I am drawing 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. An. ANE का an है. So that means the chain is what? Single bonded. Then on the second position there is all. All means alcohol, that is OH. So I am taking numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the second position I have put 1 all. The rest bonds you will satisfy with hydrogen. Now the first carbon atom has only 1 bond, so 3 bonds with hydrogen. Second carbon has 3 bonds, 1 with hydrogen. Okay, third carbon has 2 bonds, 2 with hydrogen, rest 2 will be with hydrogen, and this fourth carbon has only 1 bond, so rest 3 bonds with hydrogen. So the structure is CH3, CH2, CH, CH3 and 1 OH. Now this OH can be up also and down also, no matter. Okay, so I hope that you all have understood. If any doubt, then you can ask me. Thank you.